Here I have HUAWEI Ascend G620s, and let me show you how to set the pattern protection on the following device. So basically how to set up the screen lock method on the following smartphone. At the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, find and select settings. Here we have to scroll down and let's choose the security right here, tap screen lock. Let's choose one of the following methods. You can use HUAWEI unlock, face unlock, pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me choose pattern. Let's draw your unlock pattern and let's do it again just for confirmation. You need to enter your backup pin, so let me do it. In my case, let me use the following one. Tap next and let's do it again. Alright, and that's it. You can change some settings with the pattern, for example the automatically lock time, but in my case let me lock my device by pressing the power key. And now if I would like to use my device, I need to unlock my phone, so let me show you. I need to enter my pattern and that's it. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.